came across an old FH3 vector drawing from a classic illustration project. This is a legacy vector graphics file from an early version of Freehand. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access these Freehand 3 drawing files. Get ready for the finale. The power of this solution comes from the deep FH3 file analysis provided by one specific inspection tool that is truly universal in its application. FH3 Files are vector drawing files, created by Macromedia FreeHand 3, a vector graphics application that competed with Adobe Illustrator. They contain vector paths, shapes, text fills, and effects for technical illustrations, logo design, and publication graphics from the early 1990s. F3 Files use Macromedia FreeHand's proprietary vector format, storing path geometry, Bezier curves, color definitions, text objects, and layer structures. The version 3 format predates many modern vector features, but represents typical vector graphics workflows of its era. To gain full access to FH3, the application needed is Adobe Illustrator CC from Adobe Systems Incorporated. Windows cannot reliably map the file's internal data paths for extraction. Windows can present rough previews, but actual editing needs a vector-focused tool. To open this specific FH3 file, right-click your file and select Open With. If Adobe Illustrator CC is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Don't worry if it takes a few attempts to find the right software. If you cannot access the FH3 file, no problem. The primary software didn't cooperate. That's fine. We pivot. I need you to execute these 3 focused steps to pinpoint the exact FH3 error. First, opening in Adobe Illustrator. Install Adobe Illustrator, which historically supported freehand file imports through its Open dialog. Use File then Open to load the FH3 file. Illustrator may successfully convert the vector content, though some legacy format elements may require manual cleanup after import. Next, trying vector conversion tools. Use vector conversion utilities like UniConverter or online converters that handle legacy vector formats. These tools convert FH3 files to modern formats like SVG, EPS, or AI for use in current vector applications. Test conversions and verify visual fidelity after conversion. Finally, searching for Freehand. For full fidelity, install Macromedia FreeHand, if available from legacy software archives. Freehand can open the original FH3 file, then export to current formats like AI, EPS, or SVG. Adobe acquired Macromedia and discontinued Freehand, limiting current availability of the software. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out filemagic.com to download now. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.